Have you ever played a video game before? I'm sure you have. There are many types of games, and in most of them, you get to control your character to move around. Normally, video games are played on gaming consoles, where the game character's actions are controlled by pressing buttons. Each button is linked to a specific action. If I press the right button, my character will move to the right. And if I press the jump button, my character will jump. Of course, there are fighting games, where every button commands your character to perform a specific move. This button is punch. This button is kick.
Yes!
Every button only tells your character to perform one simple action. Would not it be great if you could control your robot the same way as you control your video game character? With rero robots. Yes, you can. The rero robot can actually be controlled with an application on your smartphone. You can download the app for free. By using the app, you can control your robot, as if it was your game's character. Pressing up makes it move forward. Pressing this makes it punch. And so on. The app works by telling the robot which file to run when a button is pressed. For example, I will make the first motion file. File 1. Contain the motion. Take a step forward. File 2 is the motion. Punch. So now if I press the first button, the robot will move forward. If I press the second button, the robot punches. Like in video games, each button should be assigned one simple action only. In a fighting game, all the actions are actually simple moves. But you can perform combos by pressing them in specific sequences. Now, take a look at the stag beetle robot that you built in the second lesson. How would you assign the motions to the remote buttons? Here I will show you an example. You can use Teach Mode, or Animator to create the motions, and assign to each remote button like this. The fact that you can remote control your robot is amazing. Now you can build a robot, and also make it move in any way you want. And what better way to use this function than to build a combat robot?